Para el Maya antiguo, inclusive para el Maya contemporáneo, cada uno de los elementos de la naturaleza son personas, son seres humanos también. Y esos seres humanos necesitan familiaridad, necesitan respeto, necesitan ofrendas, ser considerados como parte de la familia también.
Those were two inseparable concepts. Your family came from a place, and the place was your family.
Y cuando son considerados como parte de la familia, también retribuyen en equilibrio, retribuyen en bienestar, retribuyen en buenas lluvias, en buenas cosechas.
They saw things in terms of relationships, not as parts.
Entonces, la humanidad contemporánea olvidó su relación directa, familiar, con los elementos de la naturaleza.
Si tú das amor, estás dando respeto. Y viceversa. Si respeta, los demás respetamos. Y ese es cuando se hace la conjunción de amor. La tierra es muy generosa. La tierra siempre te va a dar lo que tú le pongas. Por eso es que te está pidiendo un cambio, porque ya nos olvidamos de nuestros antepasados.
We need to regain our affection and love for the places where we live. Understand them poetically, understand them imagistically, understand them in terms of their potential, and understand them in terms of our relationship to them.
As we separated from that pattern literacy and embraced a symbol literacy, it enabled us to achieve great technical things. But what the end result was is that we saw ourselves as being separate. It's one of the great downfalls of science. And in doing that, it allowed us to objectify, to treat these places as things to be exploited.
You know, we're all trained to take a problem, break it down into its component parts, work on the little part, reassemble it. The medical system's organized that way. You know, our world is mostly organized in terms of pretending that what is alive is actually a machine.